What's going on, ladies and gents? Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Arm Motorsports Downpipes. We are going to be taking a close look. We are going to be checking out how well the welds are and the overall manufacturing of them. On a later on video, we are going to be doing the installation and we're going to be verifying fitment. So stay tuned for that. Now, let's get on with the video. So let's see what we got. Ooh, baby. All right. So we got some hardware. Okay, we got bolts. We got some flanges. That's good. Oh, we got the downpipes. That should be it. Let's take these babies out. Wow, check that out right there. You guys can see this little, oh shit, pardon my lipping. All right, so far so good. Definitely like that. I'm gonna give you guys a zoom in. Okay, so now these downpipes, not just these downpipes, but downpipes on an N54, they actually supposed to give you about 25 wheel horsepower, which means this is about 35, 38 at the crank, and about 37 foot-pounds of torque also at the wheels, which means that will be like 45, 48 torque. That means you would definitely feel that. So they are stainless steel, and the downpipes would actually allow you to go to a stage 2. Means baby, that's full bolt on right there. So these downpipes actually come with the 2 prongs for the sensors right there and right there. So they actually allow you to keep your O2 sensors to be mounted and allow the ECU to still monitor your exhaust gases. Yet because these downpipes are catless downpipes, that means that we eliminate the cats. No more cats. They will need to be tuned. So that's something that if you guys are looking to upgrade to downpipes, this is definitely something that not too many people will tell you. You need a tune only to get power out of it, but you need a specific tune to the ECU in order to take that check engine light or check engine soon light on, because as soon as you will down these things or any other type of catless downpipes, you will get a light on your control panel. Not pretty, but it is common because you actually taking out the cats. Due to the design, these catless downpipes will eliminate the catalytic converters on the stock downpipes, allowing the exhaust to flow more freely, and that's what will give you more horsepower and more torque. So because the higher boost generates more heat, with the downpipes on any N54 or on any turbo car or supercharged car, it would actually allow you to go higher boost. So that's why it allows you to go to a stage 2. Once I was looking at the stock ones, they actually have like this big catalytic converter here. You actually were to look at it on the inside, it would actually have like a honeycomb over here, which is said to be that the OEM on any N54 and most likely on N55 is actually about 400 cells. That means that is, picture a honeycomb with 400 little holes in there. So now if you actually add the space, these being 100% of flow, with all those little honeycomb things, you would actually be opening up maybe more than 2 times as much flow is what you will have with any catless downpipes. So that's a lot. That's a lot of restriction with those catalytic converters. So okay, so now let's go over this baby over here. So let's check the welds up close. This for your O2 sensor. Let's get some light in here. All right, that's for your O2 sensor. Put this thing back. All right, let's look at the inside. Oh, the inside looks nice and smooth. Okay, let's continue with the welds. Welds looking nice. I like this thing right here, man. I mean, it's not like you really could see it, but once they're installed, I mean, at least I don't think you can see them, but that's a neat thing to have. Looks special. Okay, and let's check the other one. Pretty much the same thing. Let's look at the welds. You got your take. I'm not gonna take that out because, as you can see, I'm gonna waste some valuable time. Time is not money. It is what you do with your time that makes money. Remember that. So welds looking nice and pretty. I like it. And it comes with the hardware. You got your hardware. Okay. So, boom. There you have it. Arm Motorsports Downpipes. Go ahead, if you like, hit that like button. It will definitely help me a lot. Support the channel. Don't cost anything. And if you like the content, go ahead and subscribe. I will be uploading oftenly and give you guys more content on cars in general, so you know, so you have some general knowledge, as well as the N54. See you on the next.